Hey babe, where you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is gtimes.co.za. 2026-2027 has finally kicked off officially for Kaizer Chiefs. And lo nto ithethe ukuthi namhlanje siyolala ezibhedini zethu amakhosi, they are on top of the log. Having scored 3 goals, conceded 1 against the newly promoted Kruger United. Remember Kruger United last season, they won the Motsepe Foundation League with a couple of games to spare, if you remember, Bobzin. Kwathi udlala game number 28, 29, bona indaba yabo bese seyicaca ukuthi okay, no, they are going to the Betway Premiership this season.
Yeah.
And bebedlala again the Kaizer Chiefs, who finished 3rd last season. Now they are playing with the big boys kwi-Premier Division. Bendibukela nawo lo mdlalo mhlobam. Right? Is it right?
Right, man.
Washing your meal.
Yeah, just that ngiyafisa yayomile ngiyafisa ukuba mlandeli waseSoweto nami mhlambe ngabe ngithole lamaqembu abuya ku-NFD mhlambe ngabe nami sikhuluma ngokunye mngani wami. Ngiyafisa kuba i-team yaseSoweto mwana.
Ngabe uthole
mhlambe lama team abuya ku-NFD e1 yakhona.
E1 yakhona.
Yeah.
Ufuna nani ngale mhlobo wena?
No, angisho ngibona ama team aseSoweto wonke afese ngama team abuya.
No, buza wena uzovula nani mawuvula?
Mwana mina bekumele ngivulele Marumo Gallants.
Oh, Marumo.
Manje MTN 8 but ku league ngezi 11 ngiyakhona lapha eMbombela. Ey kunzima lapha mngana. Ey akubuyeki lapha eMbombela mwana.
eMbombela?
Ey akubuyeki mwana.
Konje
ngamani usikhohlise umlandeli weSundowns uthwele uyobuya lula akunzima.
Konje umhlobo wami kulapho iwallet zilahleke khona last season. Kwalahleke iwallet. Yachaya khona. Into ezininzi eMbombela.
Nabo really bahamba bayosilahla phansi khona le kuNetbank mngani wami. So iMbombela ish.
Bobzini.
Yeah. Yeah, ngiyafisa kuba mlandeli waseSoweto.
Okay, masiva lapho sithatha ngo6.
But ushaye 6 last season.
Nishaye 6 and iphela up 6.
Okay.
Singayilandi abanye 6. Bobzini. Let's dive into it. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Kruger United 1. But before setting Kaizer Chiefs, and if setting Kruger United, badlele ngomdlalo wabo wokuqala. I know kusasheke 29 games abazazidlala. Singazibale ke mhlawumbe ze Carling knockout neNedbank Cup but kumdlalo wabo wokuqala lo. Into noyithatha kumdlalo wabo namhlanje ungasicela noni ngeKruger United neBetway Premiership for this season. Bazasiphatha kanjani?
Yeah, Shane. Mawuthi ubheka igame yeKruger mwana ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba ubonile ama game njengoba aqalile nje ngo3 ngitshela ngithi liningi lama team bonakala abadlali babonakala ba rust but lama team abuya ku NFD I think uma ungabheka nayo iKruger United chain I don't think ukuthi le squad enaso ine squad is right. Yeah, angicabanga ukuthi le squad enaso because iChiefs bunala uma ungathi uyayibheka ifike khona after icede ukuscora ibuyile iKruger United la ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele nayo izama ukwenza kangcono but uyabona Shane ukuthi khona ukushodayo Shane la kulama jita ngifuna ukutshela they fail even to combine ama passes uma ungathi uyabheka compared to Melford they tried to play even though bayiluzile le game but bonisa something uyangi-understand ukuthi na ufuna ukudlala kukhona lokho engikubonayo ukuthi if iChiefs ingalahla ungenza kangcono but uma ngathi uyayibona uyayibheka iKruger ngibona iyalekha kakhulu kunabadlali abafana naboNtsako boMakhubele ngiyacabanga naboNdlovu yibo badlali ngicabanga ukuthi bayazama ukuthi babe naleyo confidence banikeze mhlawumbe labo badlali ukuthi singadlala but abadlali abaningi yabona decision making Shane kuyakutshela ukuthi abasengakabi ready or is because of mhlawumbe igame yokuqala basafika kuBetway mhlawumbe isikhathi umasiya bazohlangana nama team mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi bazokwazi ukucompete kuwo but ngendlela ngibona ngakhona ngibona ngathi kukhona la kusana umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ukuthi Shane bangalungisa khona Shane.
Which brings us back to lambuzo besikhe now in our previous video about Milford ukuthi nabo bayadingana ukuthi bebe nawo abadlali mhlawumbe bane experience ye Betway Premiership because nayo Kruger United sometimes as abalandeli abathandi bebhola kasibone iteam promoter from lower division to the Premier League sesithi ingase la team manje bagcine abadlali because asifuna ukuthi okay now bakupromotile now uyabalahla, but now siyabona why ezinye teams sometimes guys promoter they will sometimes even get a new coach, get a couple of players ezinye players mhlambe bezibanyusile zisheke. So xa ujonga wena babusini ngoku, do you agree mhlawumbi nalo notion kanye mhlawumbi nalo decision la ngothatha sezi owners ukuthi xa befika pha bazidinga i-players ne-experience ye-BT Premiership?
Bazidinga Shane i-players ezine-experience especially ezidlalile mhlawumbe ku-Betway because kunamanye ama-game udinga leyo experience Shane. Njengoba sikhulumile lento nakubo Melford, you need abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bazokunceda Shane because i-experience ibalekile Shane. Ungadlala mhlawumbe ube ne-energy ube nakho konke, but if uzolekha badlala bane-experience Shane izokushaya. Ngicabanga ukuthi uma ungabheka njengoba ngisho ukuthi nangendlela iconsider ngakhona kulamagoli uyabona ukuthi sometimes kudinga labadlali mhlawumbe laba bebangayenza kangcono kulama decision abawenzile. Ama second ball I know ukuthi bayakuscora ngama second ball Shane, but uma ungabheka ugoalkeeper yakwazi ukwenza ama save but they fail ukwenza ukudefend ama second ball phakathi eboxini. So ngicabanga ukuthi bayadinga the village boys ezaseKaslam leli Shane. Angihlali kude nale team, so ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba sibona baqale kanje
mhlawumbe bayidinga i-advice uzibandondwele mhlawumbe bayidinga ne-advice
ngikude nabo mhlawumbe ngokuthi ngingabeka imibono but ngokuhlala mduzane mnganami. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane magame mhlawumbe uma aloko aya khona kunabadlali abafana nabo Cela Umpilo Ngema bebakhona the time le team idlala ku NFD. I don't know ukuthi basasekhona kule team nabadlali ngicabanga babancede kakhulu ukuthi team ithole promotion. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane njengoba sisho nabo bayibhekile babona ukuthi okay khona la ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bazo improve khona ukusayina kwabanye abadlali o labo badlali labo mhlawumbe abanye bakhona bayacala ukudlala mhlawumbe kule crowd lekhona kulesa stadium, maybe i-confidence kuba banayo bazodlala nama team la khona balingana na we support mhlawumbe bazokwenza ngcono, but let's hope Shane ukuthi bazawulungisa Shane.
Now let's talk about the log leaders, the Kaizer Chiefs. First 3 points of the season, 3 goals. Strikers, the positive thing mhlambi enoyibalula mna ukuthi kukore is striker Kaizer Chiefs, Silva neBrace Kaduba. But overall, what did you make of the Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje?
Yeah, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I think they played well Shane for me na ukuthi bathole the maximum point. Uma ungabheka umdlali engifuna ukukhuluma ngaye uDa Silva, ngiyacabanga ukuthi yes sometimes ubonakala angabi khona ku target, but into engimthandayo ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kumele abe kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi as a striker. Kunala khona kwazi ukudrop ahamba udlala i-one touch abiyele eboxini. Ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngathola i-game time yisi striker yena noDuba sibabona abakorile ukuthi bangasinikeza even na last season. I think uke wacala kahle umdlalo ofana noDa Silva. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane lento engimbone ngayo mangimanalyze ngibona ngidlalela kahle kakhulu uDa Silva before nje azothola leya injury, because lama run bekayenza ngicabanga ukuthi amsebenzele kakhulu njenge striker ukwazi ukuthi okay uma ngabe mhlawumbe ama teammates wami abamba ibhola ngifunakala kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi njengoba ngisho. So well done kubadlali abafana nabo boDa Silva, but uDuba ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye ufike Shane wa change yonke lento ukungena kwakhe, because after iChiefs iceda ukuthi I mean iKruger equalizer iChiefs ibonakala ngathi naye ayisazi ukuthi kumele yenzeni uma baye ku half time, but second half at least bafike bayi change lento. Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuthola le second goal yeChiefs kubenze ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ekugcineni ba control leya game, bakwazi ukuthi bafuna ukudlala the way nabafuna ukudlala ngakhona. But well done to Kaizer Chiefs Shane. Ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba bahlezi lapha esicokweni sentaba Shane kungama leaders njengamanje yonke into ihamba kahle for bona Shane. So abazama ukuthi bayiwine second match bakwazi ukuthi babe khona lapha phezulu Shane, because uyazi ukuthi uma kuwina leya team kuba njani Shane. Uyazi ukuthi kuba njani kule country Shane. So all the best. Ngiyabona no Jackson Chucks ujabulile ukuthi bahlezi lapha phezulu, but ngizwe ikhona enye inkulumo engizwile but angisakhumbula ukuthi ubani oyichazile la aphethele mic athi abathatha ama screenshot abo Mr. So ulegend uthi yena no akuna screenshot engizithathayo la sihlezi lapha phezulu. So yeah Shane asibone Shane going forward, but ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba ba-collect ama-point sheni into ebalulekile badlali angeke ngijaje lama game ngendlela mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi ngawajaja ngakhona ama-first game shane anento eziningi abanye abadlali yes babuya ku-pre-season but ukhumbule ukuthi abanye abadlali basase-rust njengoba ngikutshela shane asibone nje mhlawumbe uma sesiya kubo game number 3 but i-league uyiwina ngawo lama-point lapho because uzowadinga ekugcineni
Yeah.
yeah
Bobzin, masivale ngolo hlobo mhlobam, masivale ngolo hlobo. Kaizer Chiefs, they are on top of the log. Remember last season, they won, was it 2 out of 3 out of 3, right?
Yeah,
I remember, yes, it was 3 out of 3
points. But
then,
Shane yazi before udlula mwana kunento into engifuna ukuyi-highlighta ku-coach ne Da Cruz.
Yeah.
Ngibone the way beka defender ngakhona ngalabadlali bakhe. If ubone kahle ukuthi i-left back yakhe namhlanje beku Frost la Frost bekungasumuntu obonakala abafuna uku-attacka ngaye. Lesa space besebenzisa ubani abo Bartman no Chislet kulela side bebafuna ukukhuphuka ngomonyane ba defender ngale 3 uma ngabe mhlawumbe baya attacka seyilento engibonile ukuthi okay ukwazile ukudlala nge-natural right back but amdlalise ku-left because ngicabanga ama-injuries abakhostile Shane so that is why bowubona la khona uye wavela nje kancane la khona athethele ya short ngo-left waba i-second ball uDuba wafinisha so ngicabanga ukuthi udlale kahle uFrost ukuthi adlale kulela side kungasimdlali ngicabanga ukuthi ujwayele kudlala kulela side but ukwazile ukuthi at the end of the day akwazi ukuthi anikeze Chiefs something njengomdlalo ofana noFroster but yeah kusho kona Shane ukuthi kukhona lokwakubonayo coach ukuthi mhlawumbe uma ngaba change abadlali bamikisa ngapha bamnikeza something siyabonga Shane for Kaizer Chiefs
Enkosi kakhulu Bobzin, Kaizer Chiefs eMbombela Stadium, a full Mbombela Stadium had to be delayed by 15 minutes because abantu abaninzi bebesengaphandle but eventually it got past 8 uye waqala umdlalo. Nalapho Kaizer Chiefs yazithokolela ke u3 points isibethela ke Kruger United ngamanqaku amathathu kwelinye. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3, Kruger United 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.